When Rob Sand was first running for state auditor in 2018, one of the things he talked about was he really wanted to do an audit of the state's Medicaid privatization. Are there any particular agencies or programs that you feel are important to audit if you're elected?
Yeah. I think one big area of focus, which of course has been in the news, is really following the money on the school voucher program. I think a lot of folks are concerned about how that program does not have the oversight it is supposed to have. It has been kind of uniquely carved out and protected from efforts to make sure that money is being used as it should. And that's been a real problem, I think, for a lot of folks, is a real concern for a lot of folks. And the state auditor should be able to follow the money no matter where it leads, right? It should be not limited based on program, but it needs to be able to do its job because if the state auditor isn't doing the job there, no one else is doing that job. So that would be a big focus for us, I think, in terms of making sure that all the money is being spent as it should be. But beyond that, right, I think I want to just emphasize that when I talk about that issue, it is relevant to, I think, the concerns of a lot of folks. But the bigger thing is really that the state auditor should be able to do the work it is supposed to do. Should not be limited in being able to follow the money. And as you know well, and as a lot of I think our viewers and listeners will know well, in 23, folks went in and limited the auditor's ability under law to do what it is supposed to do, limit its ability to get the evidence it needs, limit its ability to have judicial review of that of the decisions that it is making, and that is a real problem. So I think a big focus for us will be making sure that no matter where right the money might lead, no matter where the evidence might lead, the auditor can do its job, and we're hoping to make sure that we can rebuild those foundations for it to do its job.